Good morning. This is Christy, and I thought I would give like an update video of what has happened in the last week with my YouTube channel since I started over. And when I say started over, I didn't create a new channel. I just started a new playlist. Okay. Um, because I already had authority with a lot of the videos that I had made, and it does make a difference. So I didn't want to start from scratch. So when I say started over, I started over with a new list, a channel. It's almost like when you would go to the library, it's like a new category. So if we look in, pause for a sec. Okay, so if I go into the tab called Analytics, this is what I see. Your channel got 1,076 views in the last 28 days. And I'm glad for every view. And I got 5 new subscribers. Okay, so if I look at see more right here, and I went to a wedding this weekend. I had family in all week. So I only uploaded one video in the last few days. And I think it really does make a difference. Okay, so this is when I started over. Look at this spike. So April 30th, hardly anything. Let's see. It shows. It's really cool. Look, it'll show which videos got any views. So I got a few views. So all of a sudden I got a spike. And one reason I got a spike is I have an email list that I emailed the video and asked them to come view it. So that may be some of that. But I haven't done that since. So these are all organic. When I say organic, it means people are, finding it or YouTube is suggesting it. So there we go. Number 3 got 23 views. Yeah. So from what I've seen from other channels that I've followed and am following, the more you post, the more it's like a snowball effect, and it begins to roll up the hill and gather snow, bigger and bigger and bigger. And then if you want to get really into the stats of your videos, and I'm going to move myself over here. You can see how many views, watch time, how many subscribers. That's cool. It shows you how many people subscribe per video, impressions, impressions, click-through rate right there. So I'm going to pull this down. It gives you traffic source, YouTube search, browse feature, external, channel pages, direct or unknown, notifications. And I know that I get notifications on my phone once someone subscribes and I subscribe to a channel. YouTube will send them out a notification. It comes across my cell phone saying so-and-so made a new video with the title of the video, which is really helpful. Short speed playlist. So someone goes to your playlist, related shorts, hashtag. And I'm not doing shorts with this. Okay. I think the better you keep it simple, the more apt, you're likely to do this. So if I overwhelm myself or you overwhelm yourself thinking you have to do 50 steps to do a video, you may not be inclined to do it. You may put it off. And so I'm watching a guy and he said, quality over quantity. Okay. If you're OCD, that may drive you nuts. I'm not OCD about this. I just want my channel to grow as fast as possible. So if you could give me a like, subscribe, I would love it. It's very helpful to me and my channel and gives me incentive to do more. And I'm going to show you over time, step by step, what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Okay. So if we look in, and I don't think I've ever really really took a deep dive into these analytics before. So I'm going to do it with you. So if we look at geography, mostly the United States. Okay, we'll pull this over here. Some from the United Kingdom. Oh, 0 from the United Kingdom. So all of it so far has been people watching my channel from the United States, 308 views. Okay, and then if you want to look, let's see, select secondary metric. Let's take a look. Watch time, average view, more metrics. Whoa, Heidi, look at all those metrics. More metrics, look at that. Watch time, views, average view duration, average percentage views, subscribers, videos added, videos published. But you can tick that drop down and read this. Card clicks. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. Unbelievable. And since I'm not monetized yet, it's not showing any revenue. Members gained. I don't have a membership set up where you pay for a membership through YouTube. And I need to learn more about that. I've seen people doing that. It's really cool. Okay, so if I go out of that and I go per city, let's see what we got. It's views by cities. Views. Let's see if it shows cities. Might not be enough data. Average view duration. More metrics. Okay, same thing. So watch hour by cities. I could be missing that, but I'm not seeing any cities. Okay, so let's go by viewer age. Makes you wonder, how do they know? Viewer age, nothing. Okay, viewer gender, nothing. Date. This shows per date, per day, watch time hours, average view duration. Subscription status, not subscribed. So people that watched, that's interesting. 890 people watched the video but did not subscribe. 186 people subscribed. So I had more people watching but not subscribing. So that gives me the thought that perhaps I should say, please subscribe to my channel. It's called a call to action, meaning sometimes people need to hear, okay, so I watched your video, I'm done. And they don't realize how helpful it is to subscribe to someone's channel. So there's a thought. I need to do a call to action more regularly. Subscription source, YouTube watch page, your YouTube channel, shorts. Somebody found me with, they watch one short, other, I don't know what other is, other sources, closed account, subscription channel list. What is that? Subscriptions from the subscription list. Okay. More. So here we go. Content, playback location, embedded in external websites and apps. See, that's interesting because I used to have a website that I closed down last year, and I had some embedded videos. It makes me wonder. I do have a Shopify store at present. That might be where that's coming from. Video info language, unspecified language. So I don't know what language they speak. Okay. So anyway, that gives you a deep dive into analytics in your YouTube channel. For those of you, like, for example, you want to know all the stats. There you go. There you go. For me, I like the overview. So for me, I love this. So under content, traffic source, views by content, let's do views by watch time, views by impressions, views by click-through rate. how many people, I'm assuming, clicked on links. Here we go. Views per impression shown. This measures how often viewers watched a video after seeing an impression, wondering whether your impressions click-through rate is high or low. So the ones on print on demand, 1 view, impressions. Interesting. I have to do more research to figure out what exactly that means. If you know, you can put that under a comment and help me learn more about the YouTube analytics. But anyway, if you're learning along with me, really for me, I just want to see how many views and I want to see how many subscribers. That's what's most important to me. The rest of these, not so much. Okay. But you may be wanting to know all the things. So that's how you find out. Okay. So I will be checking back. And my goal is to post every day this week. And I'm going to batch as many as I can before my eye doctor appointment. And then I'm going to come back. And that means once you have your videos recorded, here's the great thing. Once you have your videos recorded, then, and I do it in Loom, I go into my library in Loom, and then I just go into, say, this one, and then I can go up to the tab right here that says, there's 3 little dots, and I download the video, and then I upload it. Now, in my next video, I'm really excited about it because it shows how and why I tag and title and just how I do the description and why, and the tool that I use to help me do that. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. If you would subscribe to my channel, it's very helpful, gives me incentive to do more. And this is a learning process. So you can see that I am learning. I am going along, I'm just like you, just learning YouTube and wanting to make a difference in other people's lives, sharing what I know. And hopefully this is some help to you. And I hope to grow this so that I can be monetized by YouTube. All right. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye now.